Ashlee, over to you.
Thank you so much, Fion. There are so many exciting things that have already been launched, but I'm so excited to launch to you our colour collection. And I'm actually joined by the beautiful Anna today, who will be my model, which I'll be demonstrating the new range to you. Now, I know we say this every year, but this colour collection is absolutely phenomenal. I'm wearing everything on my face today, and I'll talk you through each step. So, the first one is our eye party palette. Now, I know everyone's going to want to get their hands on this. This is something that I know that a lot of our field have been asking for. We're like, I want some colour. And one of the 2022 trends in makeup this year was colour. So I'm glad to actually introduce to you our Beauty Party Palette. Now, this has 15 shades, so 7 matte and 8 shimmer shades. So there's multiple looks that you can actually do. I'm actually wearing on my eye today number 1, number 7, and number 10. So this is a staple that you definitely need in your collection. I can't wait to actually see what all of you come up with, because there's so many different looks that you can use. And this gear, I think, is all about that pop of colour. Okay. Our next collection is our new NC Beauty Blush, Bronzer and Highlighter Palette. Now, these are really, really beautiful shades. Now, it comes in 4 shades. It comes in Bronze Kiss, Pink Sunset, Golden Peach, and Pink Rose. So these are really, really beautiful. They're really, really pigmented, these 2 colours here. The highlight has a really pink tinge to it, so you can use that for a pop of shine. You can use that on your Cupid's bow to make your lips enlarge, on top of your just under your eye. You can actually put it under your eyebrow to actually make your eyes look bigger. I'm actually wearing the Pink Rose today, and what I love about the bronze colour is that it suits all shades. It doesn't have a shimmer through it, so it's really, really light. So if you want a pop of, I guess, colour to make yourself look liven up, yes, and everyone knows that I love blush on, and I have that on today, and this is going to sell out, as I know they definitely will. Okay, our glosses. Now, these glosses are perfect for stocking treats, but I think that everyone needs these in their collection. You can either wear these on their own, or you can wear them on top of a lipstick, which gives you that extra shine. Now, another trend for 2022 was glosses. So a lot of people were wearing a lip liner and they're just putting a gloss on, or they're putting a lip liner all over their lips and then popping a gloss on top. Now, these actually come in 3 colours. So they come in Red Eclipse, they come in Magic Rose, and they also come in Coral Dance. So the Coral Dance is a really nice peachy colour. Then you have Magic Rose, which is a soft pink. And then this is by far my favourite, because everyone knows me, I love a red lip. And this is really, really pigmented. And this is Red Eclipse. So I think this is going to be one of my favourites this party season. Now, we know with all of the 3 that I've just shown you today that we have to have a pack. Now, I'm really excited to show you that this year, this is our makeup pack. Now, it comes with our beautiful makeup case where you can put all of this in, and as the girls said before, traveling's back on the agenda, so you can pop this all in to travel. And then you have your choice of your mascara. And then my absolute favourite, which I cannot wait to demonstrate with you, is our kabuki brush. Now, you're probably looking at this going, that looks a little bit different compared to the kabuki brushes that we have before. Yes, indeed it is. It is an angled kabuki brush. So we actually don't have anything like this in our brush collection. And this is perfect for contouring. So when I was demonstrating before that blush and bronzer palette, this is going to be amazing for your bronzer. So what I'm going to actually do now is I'm going to do a little demonstration on Anna of this colour collection. So now when you are doing any type of makeup, and I say this every time I do a makeup masterclass, that it comes down to the tools that you're using as well. So I heavily encourage you to invest in a brush collection. our Nutrimetics blush collection is absolutely beautiful, and you'll be able to achieve this look today by using our brushes. So I'm going to do a really fun party look, and as I said before, colour is in. So if you're starting to go to the shops at the moment, you're starting to see a lot of orange and a lot of pink. So that is very on trend for the coming summer and spring collection. And what I can say is that these colours really, really complement that. So I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush here, and I'm going to be using number 1, and I'll be using that as a transition color. So this is my base color. So anytime if I make a mistake, I want to be going back to this color so then I can blend it out. When you are doing an eye look, I can honestly say any of these colors on their own would look absolutely beautiful, but if you wanted to do a smoky eye, or so many different smoky eyes, I'm going to be doing an orange smoky eye today. You can go back to this color if you make a mistake. So let's go in with number 1, and I'm going to get Anna to close her eye. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow her natural crease and just do windscreen wiper motions with this color. Now I'm not going on the lid yet, I'm just going into that crease. So then I'm going to be using number 3 here, and this is a really, really light orange. So this is where I'm going to start to build that color. So I'm going back on now. These are really pigmented, so a little bit of color goes a long way. Okay, so I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to keep going into that color. And you know what I love about this color, Anna? That it is the Nutrimetics color. Reminds me of apricot, which is nice. So I'm just building that orange up into that crease line, which is stunning. Amazing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with number 4 here, and number 4 is a really darker orange. I'm going to be using the same brush, so I haven't swapped brushes yet. I'm going to pop that on, tap that off, and then I'm going to just build that color up, as you can see there. And then what you can do as well, when you're using the big fluffy brush with your color, you can actually start to wing it out. So when you want to wing it out, when you kind of think of the end of your eye to the end of your eyebrow, kind of follow that as a streak moment going up. When I'm building that color. Now you can use your finger for the next step, but I am going to be using a flat dense brush, and I am going to be using number 6 with, it's like a champagne-y pinky color, it's a shimmer color. And I'm going to go flat on the brush there, as I said, really pigmented, and now I'm going to go in the lid. So I'm going to press that all over the lid there. Now, if you want to intensify these colors at all, what you can do is you can actually grab a makeup wipe and wet your brushes, so it'll make the color pop even more. So if you really like that orange, you're like, oh, I wish it was a little bit darker, just wet your brush and you can actually intensify that look. These shimmers are absolutely beautiful. So I've done a mixture of both the shimmers and with the mattes. Now, this color palette is for all ages. I know some people get really scared when they're like, oh, there's a shimmer, it's not going to suit me because of my age. I guarantee you, whatever you feel comfortable with, if you love it, you do you, put that on your eye. I promise you'll look beautiful. Okay, so that is a beautiful look just on its own, but if I was going out and I wanted to spice it up a little bit, I'm going to just intensify that just a little bit more. So I'm going to go back in, but I'm going to go in color number 10 here, which is a really, really dark brown here. So I'm going to be using the fluffy brush, popping that on, but I'm just going to press that into the corner of the eye. So I'm just going to press that in here. And then I'm just going to do a C motion here just to intensify that just a little bit. Now, as I said before, when you're doing a smoky eye, you always want to go to your lightest colors and then build to your dark. And then I'm just going to smoke that out. And what you can do, which is really, really in at the moment, is eyeshadow wings. And this step is really, really easy. I'm just going to do an angled brush with that same color that I've put on the outside. And I'm going to put that in, and then what I'm going to do is with a light stroke, look up for me, I'm just going to bring it on there, My hand's shaking a little bit. Sorry, Anna. And then, if you do make a mistake, or you want to blend it out so it's not so dense, you just use it, go back to that blender brush, and then just blend it out. And Anna already has mascara on, but if you wanted to do, you could pop an eyeliner on that. You could use a smudge pencil underneath there with a different color to intensify the look. There's so many steps that you do. But the next step, I'm actually going to use the blush and bronze palette, which I'm excited to use to show you the kabuki brush. Now, if you didn't have a kabuki brush and you just wanted to get this palette on their own, you can use a big fluffy brush that's in our collection, but I'm going to be demonstrating the kabuki brush angle one. So I'm just going to pop that on. Now, if you can see here, it's really, really pigmented. So you don't want to pop that straight onto the face. You want to make sure that you tap off the excess, okay? And you want to go up into the hairline. They're really, really pigmented, as I said. So you want to really, really blend that out. And now I'm just going to, with the excess, I'm just going to do that around the face and bring that down. I love this because it's the shape of your face, so it actually, you don't have to like squeeze this big brush to do this, to get those angles. But you just get that and pop it through. And then I'm going to, with the big fluffy brush, I'm going to do the light pink. Smile for me. Giving that pop of colour on the cheek. Now with my finger, I'm just going to grab that little bit of a highlighter here. And then I'm just going to pop that on here. Oh, that's stunning. And the light reflection. And then I'm going to pop a little bit on the lip below, because I will be coming back to those. Now, you're probably wondering, Ashlee, does this come in a bigger set? Because I want all of my base to be included as well. I can let you know that it actually does. So, our complete your Christmas look with your choice of foundations. So we have 3 foundations to choose from. So we have our oil-free foundation, which is an everyday foundation. So this is a medium coverage, really, really lightweight on the skin. So this is great for an everyday look. Even though it says oil-free, I wear this like as an everyday look. You don't have to have oily skin to wear it. It is beautiful. Then we have our Cover Rich, which is a full coverage. This is a cream foundation. So if you want that more of a like flawless look on your face, you definitely can use that. And then we have our top of the range, which is our Flawless Air, which is our #1 selling foundation, which is absolutely beautiful. It is a full coverage, but really, really lightweight. So even if you want something that is, I guess, not full coverage, this is really, really buildable and beautiful. And if you're someone who doesn't like to wear foundation, but still likes coverage, then we have our mineral foundation powder, which is amazing. I wear this going out and I can pop a little bit of colour on my cheeks and it still goes really, really well. So they're the 4 that you can actually choose from. But I definitely know that the next product I'm about to show you is going to be a fan favourite for Christmas 2022, because I know that it already is at our HQ office, and that is our stacks of colour. So these are our stackable pots. Now these are really, really trending at the moment. So you can pop these in your handbag when you're traveling on a plane, when you're getting off, or just want a touch up of makeup. So this is a festive look at your fingertips in just minutes. So you can get a 5-minute like makeover and looks like your whole face is done with just these 3 items. Now it comes in a little stackable pot like this, and on the packaging it actually tells you what they're for. So there's eyes, lip and cheek, and they're a cream base. So you can just use your fingers or you can use a brush. So if you are on the go, these are perfect. And I'm actually going to demonstrate them on Anna's face. So I'm going to be using, I want to show all 3 shades first. So this is shade #1, which is a beautiful champagne-y colour. Then the next one is like more of a mauvey colour. And then the next one is like a peachy colour with like a pink. It's absolutely stunning. I know Linda is a huge fan of these. When these first came in, she was like, oh my God, Ashlee, I need to show you these. And I died. I'm like, how do I get my hands on them? So I'm going to be using this one in the eye. And as I said before, they're really, really creamy, so you can actually use your fingertips. And what I love about this is that it's actually buildable. So a little bit actually goes a long way. So you can pop a little bit on this and you can warm it on your hands, and then it actually like blends to your skin and you can like blend it out. So I have a little bit of that color and I'm just going to pop that on the eye. Oh, that actually looks stunning. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it. And see how you don't even need a blendable brush, that it just blends out on their own. And then I'm going to be using, you can use this one as well on your eye, which I'll use this as well. And I want to put a little bit this of underneath the eyebrow bone. Just here, that little bit of lift. And then I'm going to be using this one on the cheek. Now, when you are doing it on the cheek, you want to think about the apples of your cheek and lift up, okay? So turn on here, so smile for me. Beautiful. Does that feel heavy on your skin, Anna? Not at all. Look at that. Look at that cheekbone. Amazing. And up into the hairline, you want to make sure that goes all the way up. Even when you use the bronzer before, you can actually mix these with the Beauty and Blush bronze palette. That goes really, really well. And what I love about this is that you can pop this on your cheek. And I do want to pop that on your finger, and then you can pop a little bit onto your lips. Beautiful. Amazing. These, I think I'm gifting all of my friends this year. Definitely. And then to finish your look, I'm so excited that we have 2 brand new shades. Now, I'm actually wearing one of these shades at the moment. So these are 2 new lipstick shades. So this is Candy Apple. So this Candy Apple has like an orange tint to it. It is perfect for the party season. And then we also have Chestnut, which I would say is a brownie maroon color, which some of the girls are wearing today. So that will do. Once you finish your makeup, pop those color-ons and then you're ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed the session of the makeup. As I said before, 2022 makeup collection is by far one of my favorites that we've ever had. And I hope to see all of your images that you have posted on our Instagram and on your Facebook pages. Please tag me in because I'd love to see the looks that you've created.